Hi. Welcome to Tunes Kit. Today's video will show you how to restore iPhone backup. First, open iPhone settings. Tap your Apple ID. Click iCloud. And tap iCloud Backup. Click Backup now. When the backup is finished, go back and tap General. Tap Transfer and reset iPhone. Click Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue, and enter the iPhone passcode. Then the iPhone will uploading data to iCloud. When it done, your iPhone will be reset, and you can set your iPhone settings. When into the Choose Backup page, remember to choose Restore from iCloud Backup. And enter your Apple ID and password. It will take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Then enter your iPad passcode. Then choose the backups you uploaded before according the time. Tap Continue. Then the backup will be restored from iCloud. It will take a few minutes. When it done, open the settings. Tap Profile, you'll see your Apple ID. And open the photos. The photos will start syncing with iCloud. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.